Alright, we're back again. Come on, Scooby, you're in my way. So I got a few odds and ends to do. Put the rocker box covers on is one of them. So we got the new O-rings here. So these have the flapper valves built in that I found out. So we slide those up in there like that. Make sure they're in there good. Well, these have 6 hold-down bolts. Ooh. I think we're short some bolts then. Scooby, on my way down there. Come on, don't sit right in front of me. Scooby's not happy still. Okay. So it's got 6 bolts to hold us down, not 4. It's not an E, it's like a twin cam. Okay, which one is the worst ones? This is the better of the two, I think. So we'll put this in the front. Goes like that. Goes in the back. Go. Here's our new sealing washers right here. So they go underneath these washers that are in here already. These are brand new ones that are already in here, so we're good. If there has any in there, that one don't have one. That must be what these were. Okay, those are worn out. So we're going to put new ones in here. So these are the washers. That bolt's too damn long. So we need 12 of these bolts. I don't think we have 12 here. Okay, there's 6. 5. So we're missing one. They had this one jammed in there, which is not correct. Should be this length here. Looks like a whole bunch of goop they were putting on top of this thing too, which is not correct. Trying to seal it up. So what happens if you go too long? So if you run a bolt that's too long, so you go all the way through here and you get into where the valve is. Valve collar's way down below. This one here, these just go in there real deep. So we have this one here, which was right here. So I wonder how long we can go before we bottom out. So let's put it in that one and see how deep that hole actually is. If it'll fit, we'll use it. If not, we'll go find a shorter one. I'd rather not put it where the valve was at, so we don't get no chance of hitting it. We get pretty stiff right there. That's how thick the surface is right there. And that is very, very close to bottoming out. So I'm thinking that's going to bottom out before it gets in there. Close, but the 1/16 more down, I think it probably would clear. But it's not, it's a 1/4 inch longer than it needs to be. Okay, I'm going to go see if I can find me a little shorter bolt. I'll be back. Okay, here's some shorter bolts here. These are polished head Allens, but so what length are we going to be here? Looks like the correct length is a little short, stubby one here. There we go. So we'll use that one. And this one here we'll just throw in a junk pile, the rest of them. We got food. That's why you keep miscellaneous stuff laying around. Okay, so there's our Allen washer. We put our new sealing washer on there. Should be good to go. Take off the old washers, put on the new ones. Scooby don't know what to do over there. You can quit panting slightly. Not so bad anyway. Nope, there he goes again. Probably got tired, so get a rest for a minute. Build up his strength for some more panting. What are you doing, Scooby? Yeah, he's really gonna like the 4th of July. Actually, I think they canceled most of those fireworks around here. Between the EPA issues and the virus crap, we're never gonna have any celebration anymore. That is sharp on my fingers, that one. I want to come off. There it goes. Squeeze harder, take the pain. But we can protest all we want. That's totally legal. They actually like that part. Unless you're protesting about not working. Then they arrest you. Alright. Got all my washers on. I gotta put the motor together now. Cover. Washers. Put the other ones up on top where you can't see them. Put the pretty ones on the side over here where you can look at them. I'll get this nice polished headed one here. We'll put that right out here where you can see it like you're proud of it. Alright, there we go. Get all these started. So you get all these things started so that you know they're going straight. Okay. So now you go start in the middle of the rocker box, work your way around. Okay, now you go full torque. Same deal, when you see the Allen bending, you're at the proper torque. So if you look at the Allen here, see how it bends a little bit? That's how you know you're at the right torque. It doesn't stay permanently bent though. That means you over torqued it. Okay. One more double check just to make sure, because we're compressing rubber O-rings. So everything is good. Okay, that one's good. You go over here and do the same thing on this side. Okay, do our torque. Make sure it's all the way in. So I can torque with either hand. Okay, now we do our final checkup. Okay, those are in. Nice and tight. Shouldn't be any leaks. Hopefully. Okay, now got the spark plugs in there. Get these nice nasty looking ones in here. They ran before, so I'll put them back in again. Alright. Make sure you run the proper torque on them. About that much. Where these go? Right there like that, right? Okay, so this is all done. A couple of fittings over here. Need an oil pressure switch, which they lost. Thought I had one I had pulled out for it. There's a brand new one. Already got sealer on and everything. Let's see, there's no nut on here though. You know he's not going to have a nut, right? He'll lose that thing in a heartbeat. Yeah, how about that? Will that work? No, not quite. Okay, so we have to find a nut for this. So we'll need that. So we'll have to hold off on that for now. Okay, this fitting here gold up in the old case, pulling out. So here's a new one here, extra long. These are how some vendor had them like this. Kind of a screwed up way of making a fitting, but that's how they did it. I'll put my pipe sealant on here. Like that. That goes right here. There's another one right here. Goes for the breather down there. Some sealant on that too. It's going. And that one's going off there. Let's see, 5/8. Yep. That'll be enough. Don't need to be super tight, but tight. clarify this also. Just we gotta use an open end down here though, because we're run out of room. Yeah, one more. That'll be tight enough for that. I can keep going probably for another turn or two, but that's tight enough. Okay, so we got our fittings there, fittings up in there. Where's my tape at? Last time this motor came here full of grit and dirt and full of sand everywhere, so I'm gonna go ahead and pretend like we care. Take things up a little bit. Those aren't they're super tight, so you can pull them off pretty easy. They'll keep most of the crap out of the motor. Okay, so now we need to have a nut for this. Maybe a lock washer too. Okay, I'm gonna go get that. I'll be right back.